Congratulations on the purchase of your TrueSpec Pneumatic Heat Press. Your heat press will arrive fully assembled with minimal setup required, as you're about to see. In this video, we'll be demonstrating using the TrueSpec Pneumatic Double Station, but the same principles apply to the pneumatic slide-out machine. To open the crate, first remove all of the hex screws on top. With the lid removed, break off each side panel from the base. To do this, get a hammer or mallet and strike the inside corners of the panel. Be careful not to hit your heat press. Alternate strikes on either side until the panel can be pried off. Repeat this on all sides. Please use proper team lifting techniques to remove the machine off the base of the crate. For the pneumatic slide out, we recommend at least 2 strong individuals. For the pneumatic double station, we recommend at least 3 or 4. To prepare your heat press for use, first connect the power plug directly to your outlet on an isolated 20 amp circuit. Connect the included hose to your air compressor. We recommend a 2 horsepower, 10 gallon compressor. Let the compressor tank fill up before using your heat press. The pressure adjustment knob is on the back of the heat press. To adjust the pressure, lift the knob to unlock it, then turn right to increase pressure or left to decrease pressure. Turn the knob in small increments until your machine is set to your desired pressure. Most heat transfer applications are between 50 to 80 psi, but be sure to check the instructions on your transfer just in case. Once set, press the knob down to lock it back in place. If you haven't done so yet, power on your heat press. On the touchscreen control panel, there are 3 customizable presets. To adjust settings, press S on the touchscreen control panel. Use the plus/minus buttons to set your temperature. Press S to set your pre-press timer. Press S again to set your primary press timer, and then press S one more time to lock in your values for that preset. To change between presets, press 1, 2, or 3 to load that preset. To engage the press, press both green buttons on either side of the control housing at the same time. If you have the dual station press, the green button on the front will activate the automatic station switching. If you need to disengage the press before the timer reaches 0 or stop the automatic station switching, press the red emergency release button on the front of the machine. On the dual station machine, the emergency release must be reset to re-engage the pneumatic system. To reset it, simply twist the button to continue using the press. On the pneumatic slide out, the emergency release does not need to be reset after use. To adjust the speed of the automatic station switching on the double station machine, there are pressure valves on either side of it, 1 for each direction. Loosen the locking nut to adjust the valve as shown. Turning the valve clockwise slows the movement. Counterclockwise will speed it up. Be careful not to set the switching speed too fast, as that may cause a harsh impact on the frame with each movement. You can also adjust the tension of the stopper with the rotating knob at the end, with 0 being no tension and 9 being max tension. To change Platens, pull out the locking pin and twist it so it stays in the open position. Slide the platen off of the fast fit base, then slide the new platen on in the same fashion. The fast fit mounting system is designed so platens can be mounted in either portrait or landscape orientation. Once you've loaded the platen, twist the locking pin back into position to secure the fast fit platen in place. And with that, you're ready to start heat pressing. If you have any additional questions about the setup or operation of your TrueSpec Pneumatic Heat Press, please contact our MyExpert support team at 800-215-0894.